Good evening there, guys. So thing now is just want to show you my latest 3D print project. So the thing I did was I had this old Socketset. So it's a Kamaza set with it's a 1/4 inch. So the thing there was that this one was broken, really broken. So I had this one for many years. I think it's from 2005 or something. So the thing I did was I 3D printed a new box for it. You see the box here, and also with the inventory. So the inventory that was loose, and I just did take it out from this one and did take all the measurements and stuff, and I 3D printed the whole case here. So the case is made from PLA. It's pretty thick. I think it took about 6 or 7 hours to print out this one, the bottom part, and this the top part or the lid did take maybe 4 hours or something. I think it was something like that. And the hinges and also the locks, 20 minutes and 20 minutes and 15 on those. As the bolts or the screws, I used M3 3mm screws. They are 25 millimeters long, and I used a lock nut as well. Kind of to avoid the socket from bouncing around, and to kind of relocate when you carry the case. I use some foam. This is actually like the foam that you get when you buy stuff. So yeah, seems pretty okay. I just had it laying around, so I just used some spray adhesive and glued it into the lid, and it avoids all the stuff changing place all the time. So pretty happy about the case. It's some sort of lip here as well, as you see, and it's a groove in the box that avoids dirt and stuff to come inside. So it seems pretty rough and solid. So I think this will last quite some years. This one, the original one, I think I got this when I was automation trainee for many years ago. No, I don't think it. I don't think I was a trainee. I think I was finished with the training time, but I think it was back in 2005 or something. So yeah, it will be 20 years. Oh, the shit, the time is flying. Just in some days. So for you that are wondering, it's a Kamaza set. I had it for 20 years, like I mentioned. It's a really good set, really good quality. It's not too expensive. I think I did investigate and did find a similar set now, made from Kamaza, and I think it was approximately $100 or something. So a bit over 1,000 crowns, Norwegian crowns. So it have all the sockets from 4mm to, it was not easy to pick up. It was 13. It has this one, a manual kind of wrench. It has the short extension. It has a long extension. This one is the only thing I had to replace, because the original one was it was longer, as you see on the groove. So it was kind of the spring flexible stuff. So that broke pretty early, I can say. And you have this one. So it's really fine tuned. So you have really small. Don't know if you can hear it, but it's a lot of it's really detailed. So if you're in a narrow space or something, you are really able to do your stuff, even if you have a small space you are doing some work on. So pretty happy about the result with the locks and stuff. Yeah, 3D printing is really cool. So yeah, thank you guys. This was it for now. Talk to you later. Bye.